Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and welcome to my eLearn Empire review. Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my eLearn Empire review. So what is eLearn Empire? eLearn Empire is a video course creator studio and marketing system that creates complete video courses in minutes. And we're in the members area and we're on the dashboard. Now I'm going to give you an overview demo of eLearn Empire. But before I do, I want to show you the hand-picked bonuses I got for eLearn Empire. Here are my hand-picked eLearn Empire bonuses, and I specifically chose these first 8 to help you be successful with eLearn Empire. And you're not going to get these bonuses anywhere else, so if they look like they're something that you might be interested in, you can get access to them by clicking the link down below this video, going to my bonus page, pushing the button on my bonus page, purchasing the program, then you'll get access to these first 8 bonuses, plus you get access to these. And you get all those plus my Mega Hidden Bonus Package. So with my Mega Hidden Bonus Package and the other bonuses, it's worth well more than that $5,371.97. And there again, how do you get these bonuses? You just click the link down below this video, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to all my hand-picked bonuses. Well, anyway, those are my eLearn Empire bonuses. So now I want to show you the prices and the upsells for eLearn Empire. Here are the prices and the upsells for eLearn Empire. And the front end version is $27. Then upsell number 1, eLearn Empire Super, is $47. Then upsell number 2, eLearn Empire Done For You, is $67. Then upsell number 3, eLearn Empire Epic, is $49. Then upsell number 4, eLearn Empire Reseller, is $77. Then upsell number 5, eLearn Empire Intern Leads, is $177. Well, anyway, those are the prices and the upsells for eLearn Empire. So now we're going to go back to the members area. Okay, now we're back into the members area and we're going to come back here. But before we do, I'm going to show you the demo by the vendor. So then you have the best understanding of this program. Then you can decide whether it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to show you that demo now, and then I'll be back.
I'm going to give you a quick overview of eLearn Empire, and I'm going to focus mostly on the video course creator software and the website design software, but I just want to show you the members area real quick. So you'll notice that it's laid out in a really simple fashion with menus on the left-hand side and all the information that you need in between. When you click on any of these, you're going to notice that there's a video training module that can be expanded to full screen. There's a download PDF lesson. And then you also have these beautiful high-resolution training guides that you can click on as well. So you get everything you need to walk you through step by step. And obviously, you've got the software downloads. You've got template downloads. There's tons of other downloadable items in here, in addition to a full step-by-step training. So you get everything that you need to take you from absolute zero all the way to running your very own profitable e-learning agency. And so let's jump into the software and let me show you how that works. I have a private label rights ebook here, and basically what I want to do is I want to turn this into a video course so it's worth a lot more if I were to sell it, and it's a unique product. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to highlight, I'm going to break it into chapters or sections. So I'm going to highlight the whole first section, and I'm basically just going to copy all that text. Then I'm going to go over to the video software, and I'm going to click New. And all I have to do here is choose a theme. All right, so to start with, I'm just going to go with this theme here and click OK. Now I'm going to click on script and I'm going to paste in all that text. Now, I want this to not just have text, but I want it also to have a voiceover, so it's that much more powerful and valuable. So I'm going to choose the language, and in this case, I'll just go with English US. I can choose the voice, and then I'm going to save that voice file. Now, once I've saved it, all I'm going to do is click on OK, and the software is going to do all the work for me. It creates all of the slides with all of the text. It's perfectly formatted, and they even have kinetic effects and everything else. So if I were just to render this right now and make the video, it would play the slides one after another. It would have the voiceover, and it would draw them out in kinetic, like cool looking text. But we want to do a little bit more than that. So let's go ahead and go to sounds, and let's add a music background track. Music makes videos seem really, really cool and more valuable. So we're going to add a music track, and I want to put it on low volume because I just want it to be sort of ambient sound in the background. I'm going to loop the playback, and I'm going to add a fade to the entrance and exit of it. And you'll notice it adds the audio track, music track down there. Now I could just go up here and produce it, and I would have this entire video created literally in minutes. And I can just do the same thing for as many videos as I want to make. But let's say I want to add even more effects and make it even cooler and more unique. I can change the theme in one click. I can go ahead and select a different background. Let's say that I wanted to change the background. It's something about health. So I'm going to grab a healthy image. I can upload my own images also, or use any of the ones that are included. And I can apply it to all the slides or just one in one click. And so now I've changed the entire look and feel in literally one click. I can add text. I can edit any of the text or the effects that are on there. And I can obviously change the colors and the fonts and all of those things as well in the text menu. I also have the ability to add images. Okay, so I can go ahead and add animations. I can add buttons. I can add characters. I can add cutouts, effects, graphics, overlays. Again, I can upload my own or just click one and add it to any of the slides. I can add sounds. I can add sound effects. I can change the music track. I can add videos before, after, or in between the slides, and I can even add slide transitions. So all of those different things can be done. In addition to translating the language, I could produce this in a bunch of different languages with the audio also read in a different language. So if I wanted this to be in Spanish or French, I could change all the text to French and make the French voiceover. If I wanted it to be Spanish, I could do the same thing. So this works in any and every market, any and every country. And to create the video, all I would have to do is click on produce. I choose my quality and I go ahead and click start. But what I want to do is I actually want to load in a project that I've already saved where you can see the same project, but you can see it in with a lot more stuff done to it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and I'm going to load this project in, and you're going to see just another example of exactly how you can do literally the same product, but create it as something completely different based on the way that you design it. And so you have tremendous power to be able to make tons of different things. But the most important thing is the fast and easy way you can do this in just minutes. So you have ultimate flexibility, but you also have ultimate simplicity. And now let me show you what the output looks like so you can see what the finished video is and how awesome it is.
Eat yourself thin. Metabolic stimulation secrets. Fat burning basics. If you're overweight, you are not a bad person. You're simply overweight. But it's important to lose the extra pounds, so you'll look good, feel healthier, and develop a sense of pride and self-esteem. Once you've lost the fat, you'll need...
So you can see the quality of the videos that it creates. And this is just one simple example that we literally did in just a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to show you how to use the automatic website builder to create awesome websites in minutes to be able to sell your video courses. So I'm logged into the website builder, and basically all I'm going to do is start by picking a category that I want to start with. And any and every one of these designs are all super professional. They can be previewed just by clicking on the preview button, or you can also edit them. So you just click on preview. It's going to show you a full-size preview of the site. And if it's the one that you want, you can go ahead and click on the edit, and it will load a copy of that for you to be able to edit and create as your own. So once you've got it loaded here, each and every element on here is completely customizable. So if we go up to the top left here under settings, you can see there's SEO and Analytics. So you can decide whether to make it visible to search engines, add your title, keywords, Google Analytics, your Facebook pixel, things like that. You can go ahead and click on the Pro settings, and you can add a site header code. You can also go up here and go to site settings. You can determine whether you want it to be a wide or a narrow site. You can edit the fonts and the backgrounds for the entire site. You can also go and edit your menu layout. You can edit whether or not you want it scrolling effects or growing, fading in, or just static. You can add page widgets, and you can even make it password protected if you choose to do that. So you can make certain pages on your site password protected. You can also add new pages to your site. You can edit pop-ups. or add them and remove them. So there are a ton of different options. And then we can mouse over this over here, and you can see all of your sites. You can also edit with your phone. So this site is totally editable. Now, in order to edit the actual content on the site, you just click on any of the boxes that are here. I can edit this title if I want. So I can put in whatever I want to be for the title. And then I can adjust the fonts, and I can, change the just about anything about this. So if I wanted to change the font, if I wanted to change the color, if I wanted to change the size, all of this stuff is point and click, drag and drop simple. So you can go ahead and certainly edit anything that's on here. You can upload images, replace images, but you can also add sections. So if I click on the little plus, it's going to allow me to add any of these kinds of sections. I can add headers, and you can mouse through and see all the various different headers, and these are all customizable. You can add project sections, so you can see that you can add any of these, and these are all customizable. Services can be added. So depending on what you want to add and how you want to set this up, you could certainly make awesome websites to sell and feature your video courses. You have feature sections, you have gallery sections, you have pricing sections. So again, you have a ton of options here. You have team sections, so you can add those things in. You can add articles, you can add text blocks, your bio and CV. You can add even a store section if you have stuff that you want to be able to sell. You have a blog section. You have forms. You can even embed forms right there on your actual website. You have slideshow sections. So you can add slideshows. You have all of your socials. You can add those in a variety of different ways. You have calls to action. So you have your various like contact us type stuff. Testimonials. So you can add testimonials to your site very easily. Logos. So you have all of your logos that you can add. You can add maps. You can add widgets. So the widgets are various different things here, like Facebook comments and PDFs that you can embed and things like that. Then you also have all these different elements that can be added. So any of these things can be added in literally one section, one click. So if I were to add this, and I wanted to add this to my, I can preview it, and then I can add it, and I can apply my own website style or use the original. So if I say yes, it will add it using the actual website style that I have. So now you can see this section is here. Okay, so I've added this store section. So you have full options in terms of how to add and edit to your site. So now let's say that I wanted to add my video, and I wanted to add some media or whatever. First off, I can go up here and change this to a narrow site, so it looks more like a normal site. And then let's just say I was going to put my videos here. So I can go ahead and click on this, and then I can go over here to the plus, and I can add an element. All right, and I can go ahead and add a video, and it'll put a placeholder video there for me. If I click on this and I click on edit video, it allows me to upload a YouTube or a Vimeo video just by entering the ID. You can also add filters, and you can change the transparency of it as well. And you can add as many videos as you want as well. Now, if I wanted to edit the size, I can just go over to this and do the item settings. And this is where you're going to change the item layout. But the other cool thing that I want to show you, there's a built-in media library. So let's say that I wanted to go ahead and change this out. So I can go over here and click on the media center, and you'll notice that it pulls up all of these different images, and you can scroll through all of these. So you can scroll through. So you can upload your own, of course, but you can also just grab these. You can search, objects and transparencies that you can add. There are animated GIFs. There are also patterns. And so all these can be added in literally just one click. And then when you're ready, you can just go over here to publish, and you can publish it to connect to your own existing domain. So if you already have a domain, or you can even publish it directly to our own hosting and have it hosted for you, and then just use that URL to promote it. So you have a ton of options available to you with the site builder. And you have all of these built-in templates. You can preview it they're all fully mobile responsive. So you can view it on what it would look like on a mobile, on a tablet, or on a desktop. So you can see exactly what it's going to look like. Then you can go back to my sites. You can create a new site. And then if you create a new site, it's going to, again, pull up all the themes for you. You can click through any of these themes. There are hundreds of built-in themes. You just click on preview if you want to see it. And then you can preview the next one, or you can go back to the particular site. And so you can add websites, create websites, and even publish them directly with our own hosting with the website builder. So you can see that eLearn Empire gives you everything you need to build your very own profitable e-learning empire in just minutes without any skills, team, capital, or experience.
Okay, that was the demo by the vendor, and I think it explains this program pretty good. So if it looks like something that you might be interested in, you can get access to it by clicking the link down below this video. going to my bonus page, pushing the button on my bonus page, purchasing the program, then you'll get access to eLearn Empire and my hand-picked bonuses. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time. Mark Dwayne here again. Thank you for taking the time to watch my eLearn Empire review. And if you're interested in eLearn Empire or you're interested in my hand-picked bonuses, all you got to do is click the link down below this video, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to eLearn Empire and my hand-picked bonuses. But I just want to take a minute to say thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.